Wow! So many robots! Hello, my name is Rosemary. I'm one of the RoboThink instructors. The RoboThink Robotic Kit is a patented product used by trained instructors to teach the program. It is manufactured in South Korea in our RoboThink factory. This is the RoboThink Robotic Kit. The learning kit consists of the following. One learning kit can be used by 2 students. In the case of 2 students using one learning kit, 2 similar robots can be built. When one student uses a kit, a variety of robots can be built. My favorite, the helicopter, extended claw, and Mars rover. The academic benefits of our program includes time management, critical thinking, innovation, and digital literacy. RoboThink programs also allow students to work in groups that includes benefits like communication, planning, and collaboration. STEM education allows young learners to be more aware of different aspects of science before they enter a higher level of study. This helps students make better decisions related to their future career and interests. STEM education also prepares our younger generation for the digital age we are heading into. RoboThink Robotic Kit is currently for sale. One has to pre-order it from our customer service.